cow, wake up and get moving. I'm really thirsty over here.
Sure, why not?
Hey, can you try coming through this gate and stepping inside?
Sure, why not? I can definitely come through there. Hey, buddy, did you see that? I made it in, no problem.
Don't get too excited yet. Just look straight ahead of you.
That really doesn't bother me at all. I'm totally fine with it.
Wow, you managed to do that one. But the last challenge won't be so easy.
Why wouldn't I be able to come through? I can handle it.
I'm telling you, there's no way you can make it through the next gate.
That's going to be super easy for me. Just watch.
I've told you so many times, but you didn't listen to me. Now look at the trouble you are in.
Somebody help me! Please, help me! I'm really stuck!
Hey, monkey, come over here and give him a little push.
You go on and push him from behind, nice and strong.
Use all your extra strength and give one big push.
Thank you all so much. I really appreciate everyone helping me out.